What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Frankiehardworkshow, and I am super duper back with another one. So I'm about to play this quick clip real quick, right, from Donald Trump. He posted this over the weekend or whatever, like a couple days ago. He posted this. I'm just getting this information now or whatever. But I want to post this clip because I see a play about to come. I see a play about to come with Donald Trump and Young Thug. It may sound crazy, but listen to this, and then I'm gonna come back with the rest of my commentary.
A lot of people want to argue with me when I say the prosecutor in Fulton County, Georgia is overcharging Young Thug and Gunna and they deserve a bond. You don't want to believe me? Take it from the president. Here's Donald Trump telling you exactly what he thinks about the Fulton County District Attorney and how she's using the RICO laws. This was posted over the weekend on Truth Social. The young, ambitious, radical left Democrat prosecutor from Georgia is putting... These are his words. This is the former president discussing the very same district attorney who is charging Young Thug and Gunna. She has now opened a grand jury indictment looking at possible RICO allegations against Donald Trump for engineering and attempting to engineer overturning the Georgia election by pressuring state officials. And the prosecutor is going to try to use the RICO law to say that this guy should be facing 20 years in prison for trying to illegally overturn the election results in Georgia.
Yeah, I'm super duper back. I'm super duper back now. Y'all probably listening, right? And probably saying to yourself, well, okay, it's the same prosecutor. They trying to give him the RICO as well. But what does that have to do with each other? How does his case have to do with Young Thug case? Now, let me give y'all a quick correlation of why I feel as though Donald Trump know what he's doing it quietly. So listen, what Donald Trump is getting charged for, I'm going to do it real fast. What Donald Trump getting charged for is when Joe Biden and him was running an election, when they was going against each other in the presidential election. If people remember, it was pretty much something going on where they was trying to say Donald Trump was doing something with the votes, intimidating the voters and things of that nature. And they were saying other people involved. So that's where the RICO come in. But when you do a RICO, you tend to use other things that they said. You tend to use other things that they did. All that as a character, as to show that they have this much power, they have that much power. So now, let's go back to Donald Trump and his Twitter. Donald Trump said the craziest things on Twitter. He said it, which is freedom of speech, right? Because we all know he's big on freedom of speech. Now, stay with me. He said the craziest things on Twitter. And we all remember January 6th, when he made a couple of statements, right, on Twitter, freedom of speech, once again, when he made a couple of statements on Twitter, and they said that his statements had people come pull a coup pretty much, like rush the White House, right? Now, let's go to Young Thug. Young Thug is locked up right now in jail, right, for for things that he didn't even commit, but other people commit, right? And at the same time, they're using his lyrics. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. That's why this case right here, this Young Thug case, while people may be looking at this as a rap case, this case is going to set precedents around the rap industry, around the country, and in particular with this Donald Trump case. Because it's coming up very soon. And it's the same prosecutor. And if y'all remember, I might throw the clip in, but if y'all can remember, she always talked about how this is how she plays. She played with RICO. That's how she do. And she under the hot seat right now, allegedly. So think about this. You think that Donald Trump don't have the backing, which is his people, that's going to speak on this situation about freedom of speech, what he's going through? You don't think that's going to show some type of effect or have some type of effect that's going on Young Thug case? Like I said, this Young Thug case is a big deal. It's freedom of speech. While he might get convicted on other things, but if they let some of that part go, far as them able to use his lyrics in the trial and they let it proceed, that's going to set the precedence for other cases. You see what I'm saying? Think about that. And Donald Trump know what the hell he's doing. He know for a fact that he knows what's going on in rap. Don't think he don't. He know how to collaborate himself with people, rappers and things of that nature. This may sound super crazy, But do not be surprised if Donald Trump speak on Young Thug. And let's talk about one more thing. He's going up for president. He's going to run for president again 2024. They don't want him to do that. He has the backing to do that. So they're going to, while they're just getting Young Thug out the way, it's killing 4 birds with 4 stones. Sound crazy, right? The way I said it, 4 birds with 4 stones, but just think about it. They knocking out freedom of speech, right? They able to hit you with these RICOs for pretty much for you saying anything, right? They pretty much can be able to take somebody else that have nothing to do with you, put them in a case and put them on your case, right? Which is the RICO. And then at the same time, I can't think of the last reason, but this RICO is a big deal. This case is a very, very, very big deal. I'm going to keep paying close attention to this because while people might think, oh, he bugging right now, trust me, it's a big deal. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this correlation. Y'all feel as though like I'm reaching? I really don't feel like I'm reaching. Remember, Donald Trump, he got a lot of power. And remember, Donald Trump is very big on that freedom of speech. If they able to use freedom of speech, if they able to go use Young Thug's lyrics and they able to be entered into court, oh yeah, it's a problem. And plus, one more thing before I end it off. The governor is very cool with Donald Trump. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. But I think they think they pretty much cool, if I'm not mistaken. So y'all let me know how y'all feel. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. Your boy Frankie Hard Work. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Go check me on IG, Frankie Hard Work 1. Easy.
Today, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is requesting backup protection from the FBI as she investigates whether former President Donald Trump should face criminal charges for allegedly trying to interfere with Georgia's election results. In a letter to the FBI, Willis says Trump referenced the investigation multiple times during a weekend rally in Texas, and she feels it escalates security concerns for her and her staff. She is asking the FBI for a risk assessment for government buildings and for extra intelligence and federal agents. A special grand jury is slated to hear evidence on the allegations against Trump in May.